I'm Jordan James. I'm a principal product manager here at Disco, and I'm responsible for search. And search is all the ways that we help our clients sift through large numbers of documents to find meaningful documents and meaningful evidence. And I'm really excited to share with you some of the details of what we think about when we design and build the product. At Disco, we think of search as a conversation between the user and the product. And in legal terms, it's not unlike deposing your data. You ask a question, you get an answer back, and use that to inform your next question, ultimately getting towards meaningful documents and evidence. And at Disco, we think it's our responsibility to be a really valuable, meaningful participant in that conversation. And so we've built several different tools and interfaces, including a pretty well-structured and broad search syntax, search filters that are as easy as a single click to run a search, and even search visualization tools that'll help you identify trends and patterns in your data. And we've really learned that the smallest details matter when you're trying to find meaningful signal, meaningful evidence within millions of documents. One recent improvement is we've introduced a new type of search filter, which is histograms, and they work really well for numeric data like the send date of an email. And so without even running a search, you can see the entire distribution when the most emails were sent. Were they widely distributed across 10 years? Was there more density of activity in a particular 3-month span? This really helps inform that conversation so you know where to run a search, what question you want to ask. And so you can really weave those together with everything, all the other data that we have in the system. So you might say, given 2 key custodians, when did they send all their emails? To whom were they speaking? And we think this helps you explore and discover your data so you can run these guided searches. And so every one of these details helps drive more efficiency, more speed, and ultimately find meaningful documents faster. The speed of the product is truly paramount to our users, and so we take that very seriously. As soon as we deliver performance improvement, we start planning for the next one. And we measure performance not in seconds, but in milliseconds, even if you're operating and searching over millions and millions of documents. So we recently made some big strides in this area within this search filters project that I mentioned. And the speed at which we can update those filters is about 50% faster than it was. And we think that gives that useful context. So every time you run a search of the product, we immediately update all of the document counts, all of the searchable values, so you can inform your next decision. And this is really true for every critical interaction with the product. We're always improving the speed that you can ingest, search, view, and produce data. Ultimately, we want to help our clients improve their legal outcomes. So fast, easy to use, to the point of being effortless search is just one way that we contribute to that goal. Ultimately, in all of our products, this magical user experience is what we're always striving for. And thank you for letting me share some of the details about how search strives to contribute to that goal.